Good morning and welcome to Eastgate Farm District. We are standing outside our 450 meter square farm that we've just set up here at Eastgate, known as the Farm District, a proud project by Ichthys Aquaponics. So we shall now take a little walk through our farm, and I'll give you a bit of a description as to what we've got going on. It is opening day today on the farm, so we just thought we'd give everyone out there a little bit of an update as to exactly what we've got going on here at the Farm District. So if you'll follow me, we will divulge a little bit more about what we got going on. Over here, as you can see, we've got three 10,000 litre tanks, all stocked with Pangasius or Basa. That's an Asian sort of catfish, becoming very popular in our local restaurants and globally. We have these powering our grow systems, which we'll take a walk through. Before I show you, these are our mechanical swirl filters, proudly sponsored by Matala, and that is the nutrient base for our three different types of aquaponic systems that we've got going on. So first and foremost, we've got our gravel beds with cucumber, how beautiful, and some tomato, growing in shale media, which is the sedimentary rock form of slate. We are using a flood and drain system in this gravel bed with a belt siphon, as you can see. And that allows the water to constantly flood and drain, roughly about 4 times in an hour. We've now got the gravel bed flowing downwards, down into our DWCs, or deep water culture system, in which we've also incorporated a Dutch bucket system. This is an experiment we are trying to run and see if it can work. We've got some chives growing in our smaller DWCs on the left and on the right, looking very beautiful. Some more DWCs, and right in the back, as you can see, we have some vertical grow tower systems. So we'll take a little walk through and just describe everything in a little bit more detail. Over here, we've got a complete deep water culture system running on tank 2. So in this case, we have no gravel beds attached to the system. We are growing some lettuce, some spring onion on the left and right. We've got some spinach. As you can see, our spring onion is doing very well. We've got some red lettuce, we've got some spinach, we've got some green lettuce seedlings that we just transplanted today. Some more lettuce, some baby gem, some basil, some more basil, and this is basically essentially a straight deep water culture system. Then attached to these two grow systems, we've incorporated a very cost-effective and economical way of utilizing your space by setting up these vertical grow towers, as you can see. Very economical for space, and at the same time very versatile in the number of plants you can grow. As you can see, we have on display here some baby gem, some red lettuce, we've got some mint as well, we've got some chives, spring onion, as well as some spinach. And that's a basic update of what we've got going on here at the Farm District on Eastgate Route. Hope you guys stay tuned.